just glued on it, centering right around where the processor is, which makes me think perhaps the adhesive with the thermal grease is really keeping this guy in place. So I'm gonna get these screws out before they do fly out. Figures one time I go, oh, don't have to remove them. I can see our laptop jack. I still can't see if we have to resolder it or if it's something else. Doesn't that just tick you off? Maybe I'm trying to pull off this plastic piece and there's something else under the heat sink. That looks like these are two separate pieces. So I'm going to try just a little bit of pressure, not much. Just a little. Nothing there. How about here? No result. Got a little bit there. Just a little bit. There we go. Yeah. That's the way that comes off. And here's one of those things I hate about thermal grease. Sometimes it literally acts like glue to the processor, to the heatsink. I don't know of any other way you can get a processor off that's like this. If somebody does, let me know, but you go through, you start taking heatsink off, it's stuck like this one is. There's no way you can get in there, there's no angle. No pressure you can do, nothing. You can't get in from here. You can't get in here, here. You might be able to a little bit there, but do you really want to try and make direct contact with your processor with a screwdriver or a piece of plastic? No. So you end up doing what I just did, using a little bit, slight bit of pressure and help kind of ease it up. And you go to take out your heatsink, and what do you find? Besides a lot of dust, that your processor is quite literally glued. To the heatsink. Literally. There's no other way to describe it except glued. And then you gotta go, well, how the heck am I going to get this off? Try to make contact with this thing again. What should I do? And unfortunately, there's not much else you can do. Since I already got it out and exposed and have to take the processor off anyway, to minimize contact with it, I'm just going to set it onto the table with the heatsink. Now I'm going to also take this opportunity to blow some dust off of it. Not the processor, but the heat sinks. Okay. Set that here. Okay, I'm going to open up the slot on the processor, so know that it is indeed needing to be put back in and ready to be put in. If I get distracted or have to get back up. As far as dust goes, yeah, you can see it on the camera. I'm not holding a piece of foam. That is a block of dust. Block of dust. That's the kind of crap that gets into your laptop. Ugh. Literally causes your system to overheat. Yeah, there's a bunch of it. Let me go and shoot the dust out of this somewhere where I don't care about fancy cameras and Macintoshes and nice computers. That's a little bit better. Yeah, I know I shouldn't walk around with this, but I'm sorry. I'm not gonna get dust in my stuff. Especially when it's globs of hair. Ugh. Now, do see now that there's possibly a couple spots this thing can be held in from the other side. Could be.